Transportation is one of the top industries of Huawei Enterprise. And in 2016, Huawei Enterprise revenue grew more than 46%. And transportation is one of the industry which contributes to this incredible growth. And within transportation, we have different subsectors. And we do see airport as a very promising and very valuable subsector with a very high growth. And here we display end-to-end solution addressing basically all the challenges of the aviation sector when it comes to operational efficiency, when it comes to safety, and when it comes to passenger experience.
Tell me about the operational visualization solutions that you're displaying here.
So the Smart Airport Operational Efficiency Solution aims to improve the efficiency of all the airport operation. You know, there are so many processes ongoing with so many departments who need to collaborate together. So the idea is to, with new technology, with new solution, to improve the efficiency. And one of the pillars of this solution is to deploy a LTE network, which will serve all the different services, whatever it's voice trunking, it's video, it's broadband. So instead of building different networks, we only have one, and this network will